My name is Belinda Arroyo, and I am an immigration attorney, board-certified immigration attorney with over 17 years experience. We talk a lot on our page about the importance of hiring an experienced and trustworthy attorney to handle your case. But sometimes it's hard to know what qualities to look for. So today I'm going to take you through some key questions to ask attorneys you're considering hiring to help you decide. This doesn't have to be just in the area of immigration. It can be in other areas as well. Criminal, other types of things. So these are just key questions. Number one, I would start out with is definitely ask your attorney that you're consulting with how many years experience they have, not just as an attorney, but in the area of practice that you're considering hiring them for. Many attorneys advertise themselves as a jack of all trades. That's great. That's fine. But if your case requires some type of special handling or you need more experience, you're going to want to look for somebody who has several years of experience in that actual practice area and not just a jack of all trades. Number two, make sure that you ask before you consult with the attorney, am I actually going to talk to the attorney? I do know that there are a lot of law firms nowadays where you're not going to consult with an attorney. You're going to consult with a paralegal or somebody who's just meant to sell you. I would insist on talking to the actual attorney, and if that's not possible, I would just move on and look for another attorney. So that's another good question. Another question is make sure to ask them how many cases they've handled that are similar to your case, right? So I practice mostly family and deportation and immigration. So that's a different type of case than maybe say an employment-based case for a doctor who's wanting to immigrate to the United States. And so it's important, if you don't ask that question, they're going to just get, hey, I'm 17 years of experience in immigration, but maybe I haven't done your type of case. Maybe your case will be the first one. So definitely ask, have you done these types of cases? I love it when people ask me that. I'm not offended. I think it's great. You're researching, you're asking the right questions, especially the more complicated the case is. And I get to tell them, yeah, I've done this type of case. This is how it turned out. So it's the more questions that you have for the attorney, the better. The last question I think is important to ask is how many attorneys do you have? You know, who will be handling my case in particular? That's a fair question. A lot of times nowadays you may see somebody and never see them again. Or maybe they're not even an attorney who practices they're just the ones who do the consultation. So these are all fair questions. It's important that you ask the right questions when you're considering hiring an attorney. Thank you for watching. If you like our content, please follow us. And remember, if you're in need of an immigration attorney, feel free to give us a call. We have an office in Dallas and in Tyler, but we also can take cases from all over the country. So please feel free to give us a call. We are attorneys with experience, but we also love to educate people about how to make sure that they get the right attorney as well. Thanks.